Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can enable dark mode on Android One UI. So you can just turn on dark mode on your device. Just swipe down from here, and here you can see dark mode. Just click on it. By this, you can just turn on dark mode on your device. If you want to turn on dark mode on your browser, just go to your browser. Here you can see you don't need to turn on dark mode on your browser, it is already dark. If you go to your Facebook, now here you can see in your Facebook it is also dark mode. So guys, if you turn on dark mode from your device, all the other apps will be in dark mode. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.